We begin on Christmas Eve with me, Mark, and my roommate, Roger. We live in an industrial loft at the corner of 11th Street and Avenue B. It's the top floor of what was once a music publishing factory. Old rock and roll posters hang on the walls. They have Roger's picture, advertising gigs at CBGB's and Pyramid Club. We have an illegal wood-burning stove. Its exhaust pipe crawls up to a skylight. All of our electrical appliances are plugged into one thick extension cord, which snakes its way out a window. Outside, a small tent city has sprung up on the lot next to our building. Inside, it's freezing, because we have no heat. Smile. December 24th, 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Here on in, I shoot without a script. See if anything comes of it, instead of my own shit. First shot, Roger, tuning the Fender guitar he hasn't played in a year. This won't tune, so we hear. He's just coming back from half a year of withdrawal. Now that